December, my favorite time of year where red, white, and blue and stars and stripes get to fill our homes, and in this case, line our mantles. We think the standout feature is that patriotic display. In that patriotic display is the flag banner. Make it now before Memorial Day and you can keep it up. Heck, I say all summer long. Michelle Inkley is going to give us the tutorial. It's so good to see you.
Good to see you.
I said, Michelle is what my heart needs today. This is such a fun time of year, and I say this every year, but here in Utah, the red, white, and blue fun starts on Memorial Day and continues for us through the end of July.
Yeah, to the start of August. It is so great. Well, I love just a touch of 4th of July in my house. I don't go all out. I mean, maybe I do.
You don't go Americana banana?
But I want to.
Okay.
But this is an easy one, and it's super inexpensive to make, and the supplies are really expensive. So inexpensive as well.
A package of flags.
Yeah, a package of flags.
So
and
cute.
I have the links on my Instagram, so you can go check it out. But this is what a mistake I made.
Uh-oh.
So on my Instagram, you guys, I was looking at the flag, and I'm facing this way, and I tipped it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna do this way. And the flag was backwards. So you need to make sure that the stars and stripes are always on the left side.
I hope our passionate patriots who follow you were kind.
Well, they put me, I didn't know. I was like, does this look right? Does this look, so I got the nicest comments, like, I'm a military mom, let's just go ahead and put it on the the right,
yes,
you know, the
little
left
correction,
side.
gentle correction.
So that is fine by me. So make sure when you're making it, you know, I'm making it the right way, but then when you hang it, it's upside down.
So they slide off just like that?
Yeah, so these, just pull it off. It's so easy.
Okay.
And then all you need to do is, this is makes
no quality in this 10-cent flag. I mean, there is quality in the flag, just not in the mechanism.
It's so fun. And then I always cut my ribbons the same length, so that the bows will be, you know, symmetrical. Even. And then I always like to tie the bunny ears. So just get the ears and tie it. I think it hangs better.
Okay.
And it just looks, you know, cute. You don't have all that extra knot and stuff in there.
I might need to practice that bunny ear technique.
Well, this isn't perfect because you know TV. But then once you get them all tied up, and they're about the same. I like the 6-inch bow because I like the flags to be 6 inches. And I do have hot glue if you want to glue it on there.
Let's go.
I just take a little bit of the hot glue.
She also has the cutest Happy 4th of July lunch tray that's acting as our work surface.
Of course. And you do one corner and then you go like, I mean, it is not brain surgery. It is so easy, that's it.
And after this, you go rob a bank because you won't have any fingerprints left, so they can't track you, right?
But it's so easy, yes. And then you just add until you get the length that you want.
So cute.
And it just is so charming.
So you've got the drippings here. I see some other like accessories in terms of ornaments. I've seen even Christmas lights being strung with these two.
I mean, you can layer your banners how fancy you want, and you can purchase them all over the place.
Here's the side accessory that I'm obsessed with, and it's so simple too.
So I love a candle tied with a bow. Everybody has candles, everybody has ribbon, done. How easy is that? But I wanted to add flags, like taller flags, standing up, and I couldn't figure out without putting them in like a jar. It just looked weird. So if you get these little candlesticks, or if you have a candlestick.
Oh, you're so smart.
Super easy. Put the floral foam in. If you put the clay in, it's gonna shrink like as it dries.
So no.
So do that. But that looked really, really funny because it was green, and then that went in there. So then I put the black Play-Doh on top of it.
She's hiding her seams because she's that level of creative professional.
Just because I needed that. And then when you stick it in, it will stand up straight, and you'll be able to pop them out because the clay won't like make it solid in there.
I love it.
It's simple and easy.
It is, but it makes a statement. Easy,
it really does.
Statement making, and it brings that patriotical feel into our homes and our hearts. I love it so much. I just want to be Ralph Lauren on a beach house with American flags.
Okay, let's do it.
An Afghana cardigan, what? I don't know. Just 90s summer.
All of it.
90s summer.
All of it. But this will add a little touch for
Michelle, where can we get more fun ideas like this from you?
The Glitzy Pair on Instagram, and I'll have all the little tutorials. Just click on them and they'll help you out.
I'm making these this weekend thanks to you. So Glitzy Pair is where you find those connecting resources. Thanks so much.